So this is one of Harbor Freight's cheaper hoods you can get. You can get them on sale for I think as little as like $40, but for the most part they're around 50, 55. They're a lot cheaper than the Vulcan. I've used these production welding for, I think I had this one for a year, year and a half, and I've lost the lens. It's in a pretty good bit of wear and tear, and since it's a cheaper hood, I didn't worry about it too much. I did add some things to it. I got some like synthetic leather from the store, and used a couple brads to hold that on the bottom to help shield your neck, because I was constantly getting burnt around my neck. And the only two complaints I've got, which I mean, one of them, the lens size is a little bit on the small end, so it's a little bit harder to see through. But I mean, you got to know that when you buy something with a small lens, it's going to be less to see through. The headband, this one's the only one I had that hasn't broke. I've had like 3 of these hoods now over the last 7 years, and every single one of them, these headbands break right here. They'll break. The little tabs here will break. They're not terribly comfortable. They fit okay, but other than the headbands breaking, the function of them, they serve their purpose. It's a cheap hood. It'll get you started. You can definitely weld through it. Haven't had any problems with the auto darkening being slow or not working. Batteries last a pretty long time with the solar rechargeable lens there. They've only got 2 sensors on it, so I have had this flash me if I've got something kind of blocking it weird. I was doing exhaust work under one of the cars, and the sensors apparently didn't pick up enough light through the area that I did have to see. I was trying to weld the top side of the exhaust pipe, so definitely got flashed a few times with this. So there's a little bit less sensitivity. The headband kind of sucks a lot. But this does have the grind mode, which is pretty neat. It's got your shades 9 through 13. So it gets plenty dark and plenty light for anything from grinding, settling, cutting, welding, MIG, TIG, stick welding. It works for them all. I actually made a video this evening on the Vulcan Omni Pro 220 welding with MIG, TIG, and stick, and this is the hood that I used for that, just because it's the one I had at the house. Got my better Vulcan at work right now. But just want to give a short, hopefully helpful review on the Harbor Freight welding hood. All right, y'all take it easy. Like, subscribe, come back and watch some more videos. Just take it easy.